Hello, my name is Victor Rodriguez, and I'm an MD PhD candidate at Columbia University. I'll be sharing with you our work on the clinically explainable actionable risk model, or CLEAR, our submission to the CMSAI Health Outcome Challenge. Our model uses a deep learning architecture to identify patients at high risk for unplanned hospital admission. Attention mechanisms are built in to provide insights useful for interpreting model output. Online learning using clinician feedback identifies clinically modifiable risk factors. The user interface visualizing model output is easy to understand and facilitates rapid, effective clinical decision-making. Model and interface are developed using evidence-based deep learning and visualization methods. Finally, the overall framework uses a patient's entire clinical history to make predictions at intervenable points in the timeline. CLEAR uses a recurrent neural network combined with feature and temporal attention mechanisms to learn which observations in the patient's historical record are important for predicting an unplanned admission. Here we show a single patient's time series. It has a total of 4 time points, and we are making a prediction at the third. Clinical observations occurring closely in time are grouped into temporal windows. Features in each temporal window are mapped to dense representations using pre-trained node-to-vec embeddings. The feature attention layer weights the importance of features within the temporal window. It uses information from previous time steps by taking the RNN hidden state as input. The RNN cells take attention-weighted embeddings as input at each time step. A temporal attention layer weights all the RNN outputs up to the current time step. The temporal attention-weighted RNN outputs are then used to predict if an unplanned readmission will occur at a fixed horizon. The CLEAR app allows users to interface with the model's output. The patient panel provides a view of the patient roster, including each patient's name, demographics, discharge status, and estimated risk. Selecting the patient reveals an overview of their risk of unplanned admission as estimated by CLEAR. Scrolling down, we can see this patient's risk factors, which have contributed to their risk score. Each is annotated according to its modifiability. Graphs show the temporal evolution of the patient's risk and the importance of each feature. CLEAR allows end users to rank the actionability of clinical features. This process ensures that CLEAR's predictions are transparent and clinically useful, improving resource allocation and promoting trust with users over time. Clinicians can re-rank the risk factors to provide feedback on whether they believe this to be a clinically modifiable factor. The interface uses this information to learn the modifiability of each risk factor over time. I'd like to acknowledge all the members of our CMSAI Health Outcome Challenge team, as well as our advisory board. If you would like more details on our work, please do drop by our poster. Thank you.